Hi there, Lindsay here, the Frugal Crafter. Today I'm going to share a gift that I received in the mail today. I know you're probably thinking, Lindsay, that is so lame. But I'm really curious to see what's in here. This was from Ohuhu. I do a lot of work for them over the course of the year testing their products. I do sponsored they sponsor different videos on the channel, and they're a very generous company, I have to say. And we're going to take a look at this. It's a holiday gift, I believe. They did send me an email probably, I would say, I'm just going to move this up a little bit, a couple weeks ago saying something was coming. And then I got a notification saying something was shipped from Korea. And I'm like, I'm not expecting anything from Korea. But this was it. This was what came from Korea. So let's see. It's got a nice like box with a little magnetic closure. I love the boxes they send stuff in for the holidays because they're always nice and can be reused for gifting and whatnot. I don't even know where to go first. All right, this is 2026. I wonder if this is a calendar or like an exploding box, or sometimes they unveil new products in here too, and that they've done that in the past, and that's been really cool to. I always think it's neat to be able to see a product before it's released. Oh, it is. Oh, this calendar's so cool because it builds. Look at that. Each month has a different part of the scene. Oh, that's really cool. Oh, that artwork's really neat. I wonder if it says who does their artwork. It looks like their the artwork on their marker pads there and their stickers and stuff. Their iguana. It's an iguana, isn't it? Very cute. A lot of Hawaiian themed things. Oh, that's Halloween. I like that. Oh, how adorable is that? That's really cute. So, iguana and Hawaii themed things. So cute. That's really cute. Okay. Oh, you know what? I bet it goes in. I bet it goes in that. Oh yeah, it's got a little stand right there to hold it. That's really cute. That could go on my desk upstairs. Oh, we got a thank you for being a fantastic partner. Dear Lindsay, working with you throughout 2025 has been an absolute highlight of our team. Your talent and vision are truly inspiring, and we feel incredibly fortunate to be part of your creative journey. As a small token of our immense gratitude, we've curated a special collection of our newest products just for you. We hope they bring you joy and help fuel your next masterpiece. Thank you again for being such a fantastic partner. We are so excited for all the great things that we continue to create together. Warm wishes, the Ohuhu team. That's really sweet. I'm sure it's been given to other people too. I'm not naive. 2026. Ohuhu. Oh, it's like a little card. Oh, that goes to the calendar. And goes to the calendar. Okay. Oh, what first? What first? This feels like a beautiful tote bag. Oh, it's one of those nice wide kind of sling bags. I've never had one of these before. That's kind of nice. That's different, and it's nice and flat. I bet I could fold that up and actually keep that in. Oh, it's got a pocket on the inside. It's got a zipper pocket on the inside, so you could put your wallet in that. If you're going to like a farmer's market or a craft fair or something, you could zip your wallet right in there nice and tight, nice and secure. Put your phone and keys in there, and then you have room for your shopping. That's nice. That's nice and ample. I'm kind of excited about that. And right over your shoulder. Oh, it's a very comfortable bag too. I mean, you can't see, but I just have it over my shoulder. Very nice. I like that bag. That's something different. That's something different. I like that. And I like that I could take that to the craft fairs this fall and not have to worry about carrying an extra bag. Now, what is this? I bet these are coasters. I bet they're coasters. It almost seems like you might fit something in. Like, it almost looks like you might put them together, but because they have cutouts, like slots almost, but. Oh, they have a cool feeling to them. I'm wondering if they have, I wonder if it's got like one of those films that you peel off. Trying not to be a Wolverine and try to peel things with my nails. So I got my nails done for the first time ever in my life, and I'm trying to keep them nice. But oh, that's got a cool feeling to it, but I feel like it might have like a film that you're supposed to peel off. So I'm thinking those are both coasters. That's my thought. Can I get this back open? I like the Monstera leaf. That looks really cool. Last year they sent a bunch of acrylic magnets. I have them stuck to my art cart in the other room. That's kind of cool. Can always use a coaster. Here we have, since 2016, Draw, Feel, Empower. A cute little wax seal. Oh, these are stickers. These are, oh, look at that. You just open it right up. Oh, and it looks like maybe a little coloring page. Let's see, a marker sticker. We got the iguana. Oh, those are cute, different seasonal things. Draw, Feel, Empower. Interesting. Throw a couple of those on, put maybe on my marker sketchbook. Oh, there's a little leaf. Oh, that little envelope. That's really cute. Okay, Ohuhu Nib Family, Amazon's best-selling alcohol markers. Oh, this is just kind of an info card. I'll set that aside to refer to. These are the dual tip colored fine liners. I think I have used these. I think these are the ones I used with the Honolulu S series markers. Yes, these are nice. They have like a sign pen on one end, a flexible plastic nib on one end. The other end is your regular fine liner, and they are waterproof and alcohol marker proof. So that's really handy for whatever type of art you like to do. Then we have outline markers. Oh, these are the kind, I think, where you have like a silver middle, and then you have a streak of whatever color the cap is on the outsides of the markers. So I've never had any of those. Well, you know what? I think I had some when I was like in junior high or high school, and as I recall, they had a really strong smell. You can see the silver, and it's got the red on the outside, so you've got the metallic on the inside, and it's got that hint of color on the outside. That might be fun. That might be fun to decorate some ornaments with, or write address envelopes, like dark envelopes with. This is, oh, this is the Honolulu S series. This is the soft chisel nib, and I'm wondering if those colors might be different than what I have, because those are really vibrant. I don't know if the other colors I have are super vibrant. That's nice. I think that will be a good thing to build on the set that I have right now, because I think most of those colors might be unique. Here we have a couple little clips. I have one of these from another company too. Those are kind of, I don't know what you use them for in particular, except for maybe holding your sketchbook open. How strong are they? Oh, they're pretty strong. They're pretty strong. Probably use them for a chip clip too if you want. They're just kind of cute little novelties. They're pretty thick. That's the only thing. They're pretty thick. So I haven't really found a use for the other one I have, but now that I have a couple, maybe I will try them in the sketchbook. That's kind of cute. The little iguana, little Ohuhu, or chameleon. It's probably a chameleon, right? Because they're the ones that change color. So maybe that's what they are. What do we have here? So many little goodies. What's this? Oh, that's a magnet. Little Ohuhu guy magnet. It's not an iguana or a chameleon. I guess, I don't know. I'm not exactly sure. Oh, and we got a little leaf and a palm tree and a monstera leaf. This is nice. I actually have a whole box of shaped paper clips like this. They're fun to use as card embellishments, so that's probably what I would use these for, is greeting card embellishments. Very cute. This almost feels like you could color it. I think that's probably a magnet that you're designed to color. You're supposed to color. Last year they had some coloring pages in the gift, and that was really cool. Oh, acrylic markers. I wonder if they're different colors than. I wonder if they're a holiday assortment or if they're the same colors. Which either way, it's fine because they're beautiful markers. Let's see. I think these are the standard colors, but I've got no complaints because it's nice to have backups for those because they're really nice. They just released the 48 set a couple months ago, I think. I did a video with them when we were doing the art exchange boxes. We were doing art for the art exchange boxes. I like the artwork that they did for this, though. That's really cute. It's special. It's special kind of new. New designs for a gift. That's kind of cool. And then this is a different acrylic marker, Kalalau. Let's open that up and see what it looks like. Let's see. Look at me responsibly using a knife instead of my fingernails. I will be a lady one day. Regular Pygmalion over here. Regular my fair lady. Okay, let's see. Don't want to damage a box because oftentimes the boxes are really nice for storage. Oh, hold on. Oh, these are different. I don't know if I have this right though. I'm not sure. You got a swatch right on the lid of the box. Looks like you could color that if you wanted to. I'm not sure if maybe this is how you're supposed to open it, but I don't see how else. Oh, you know what I bet you're supposed to do? I bet you're supposed to kind of let them stagger out maybe. There's probably instructions, but I don't see them. They're probably very obvious too, but let's just take a look. Oh, these are a brush tip and they're ready to go. Look at that. No odor, or very little odor. So that's nice. You've got a brush tip ready to go. That's kind of cool. So their other ones are ready to go too. The other ones you don't have to do any shaking or whatnot, but let's look at the color scheme. That's really pretty. It's very easy to see what you're going to get. Larger barrel. But I wonder if it has as much ink as the direct ink markers, because the other ones have like liquid ink on the inside, and I bet these are like a pad on the inside. Now, how did that go? Like that, I think. No, I think it went like that first. Oh, what fun. Thanks, Ohuhu. That's really lovely. You have to let me know what you want to see used first. If anything, let me know. I mean, some of these things I have used before because I'm no stranger to the Ohuhu product family. Your playground for acrylic color, specially designed for acrylic markers. This premium paper lets your art shine with clarity and control. Its unique paper making process enhances tear resistance, allows multiple layers of color without pilling. It's perfect for layering, blending, and experimenting with different styles. The evenly textured surface ensures smooth, consistent strokes, while the bright white tone makes every acrylic color pop, bringing your artwork to life in vivid detail. So I wonder if this is all coloring pages or what. It's in a nice glassine package. Oh shoot, I just ripped it. Darn it. My goodness, I don't want to destroy the package. Oh, this feels like mixed media paper. Oh my gosh, look how cute. Now, I don't really do the adult coloring, but sometimes it's fun to, when the girls are home, to sit around and color. I used to do it a lot when they were little. We'd all sit around and color. And they really liked the grown-up coloring books because the designs were smaller and more detailed, and they really enjoyed that. Oh, these are really cute. I might actually, though, I might bring these down to the library and... Oh, wait, do we have some blank paper? We do have some blank paper. Oh, that's nice. Well, you know, I still might bring some of these to the library because the coloring pages, because sometimes I do a class, a free class, or I think they might charge like $5 or something to cover library fees or library materials. But I do a Christmas watercolor painting lesson for adults at the library. So I might bring down the coloring sheets and some markers for, or even probably some colored pencils, so we don't have to worry about kids getting into it, making a mess. But I might bring that down with me, so if any parents have to come with their kids, then there's a little activity they can do, because sometimes it's hard, you know, spouse gets called into work and they can't watch a child for you to come rather than miss out. You know, if we can set a kid down with a coloring page, you know, and it's usually like maybe 1 or 2 kids. It's never a lot. That would be a really nice thing to do, I think. Well, thank you, Ohuhu. What a fun little gift. I say little, it's pretty generous. Fun little doodads to play with, some markers to check out. I'll have to cross-reference and see if those colors are ones I already have. I don't want to open up the package until I know, because you keep things sealed up, they'll stay fresher longer. Or I don't want to use it if I already have it, because if I have a friend that needs some, then it'll make it last longer. Very nice. Very nice. Well, I hope you enjoyed this. I don't know, it's kind of fun to see what's out there, to see if new products that are coming. The outline markers, I don't know if those are brand new or not. I've never used them. So they may be a sneak peek for you. These are definitely a sneak peek. I have not seen these yet on their website, and I'm always on the website when I'm doing work for them to see details about different products, and I have not seen these yet. So that looks like a new offering. And I don't know if this paper is gonna, I wonder if this is their mixed media paper. Maybe it's a new acrylic paper they have coming out. That'll be fun to try. I'm looking forward to that. Of course, we know these, we love them. And the bag. I'm actually the most excited about the bag. I usually don't get too excited about a tote bag because they're usually the same old. But I like that. I like this. The stitching looks really good. It looks like it's gonna hold up well. It looks like it will probably wash without losing its structure too badly. Well, the edges are, well, they're not, well, no, they are serged. Yeah, and I like the zipper pocket on the inside for doing a little holiday shopping. I think that's going to be really handy. So there's, if you've ever wondered what's in a gift box from Ohuhu, there is this year's, and you can find older ones on my YouTube channel. I think I've posted the last couple of years. I don't always post them because sometimes it just feels weird to post a gift, you know, to unbox a gift. But I think it's also kind of fun if there's new stuff showing up. So I don't mean this to be braggy or like, hey, look what I got. Well, I guess it is, hey, look what I got. But more of kind of like, hey, let's see what's coming up, right? Let's see what's coming down the pike from these guys. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And until next time, happy crafting. Bye.